Today, I'm conducting a performance review of my new flow hood, which was kindly sent over by Mofog Doctor. To see how it handles home lab conditions, I'm going to perform 3 different mycological procedures: germinating spores, cloning a mushroom, and working with a contaminated jar. But before we do that, let's have a quick look at the unit itself. Out of the box, the setup is very quick and straightforward, requiring only the filter to be removed from its protective plastic and placed back inside the unit, and for the hood to be screwed together. Now, the first thing I notice is the build quality. It's a very sturdy unit. It features a durable metal construction and includes a protective plastic hood. The non-slip feet keep it in place while you work, and the LED light effectively illuminates the workspace. But a feature I really like is the dual fan system. This unit uses 2 fans to ensure the internal space is pressurised relatively evenly. This creates a consistent laminar flow across every inch of the filter face. That means you don't have dead zones at the edges of your workspace, effectively giving you a much larger and a more reliable sterile field to work in. Alright, it's time to get some work done. Today I'll be germinating some spores, taking some clones from a mushroom, and I'll also take some samples from a contaminated jar to begin the process of cleaning up that culture. This is all sensitive work where a sterile workspace is critical for a positive outcome. Now, while working, the unit is nice and quiet, operating at barely a whisper. The light provides great illumination as well. I'm able to see what I'm doing with no trouble at all. And good illumination is much more important than you think. And it makes doing this kind of work all the more stress-free. And throughout the duration of these procedures, the unit maintained a very even and steady flow. There seemed to be no weird dips or pressure fluctuations, which is just what we want to see. Alright, let's finish up here. We'll fast forward 2 weeks and see if all of that results in a successful outcome. So now it's 2 weeks later, plenty of time for any contaminants to show themselves. And would you look at this, lots of lovely, clean plates showing some nice mycelial growth. Unfortunately, the spores are yet to germinate. That sometimes happen, they might be dud spores. But across 20 plates, I've only identified 2 instances of contamination. On one of the clone plates, you can see this weird grey fuzz. I suspect there was some microbe on the surface of the mushroom that made its way onto the clone and is now affecting the growth. But I can't fault the unit for that instance of contamination. And the other is this weird mole growing on one of the spore germination plates. The spot isn't in a place where I swabbed, so it definitely isn't from the swab and has indeed come from somewhere else, either from me or from the air. All in all though, a very successful test of this unit. Out of 20 plates, there were only 2 instances of contamination, with only one of those potentially from the air. A 95% success rate, not bad at all for the home lab. So if you're ready to move beyond your still air box and enjoy the lovely sterile environment a flow hood provides, then I can't recommend this unit enough. I've included a link in the description below. Go and check it out. A huge thanks to Mofog Doctor for sending me the unit and for making this evaluation possible. It works really well and I look forward to using it for the foreseeable future. Alright, with all that said, I'll see you in the next one. Legends.